how to deactivate Instagram without waiting a week. So if you have deactivated your Instagram once and if you reactivate it again, and if you want to deactivate the Instagram account again but without waiting a week, then this video might be helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So you cannot do this action through your Instagram app. For that, you have to open up your Instagram account on your browser. Simply go back and open up to browser. Here I am with Google Chrome, and tap on the search bar and you can search for instagram.com. So once you search for that, you'll be able to see this interface. You can also enter your credentials and log into your account, and after that you just have to tap over your profile at the right bottom corner, and over here simply tap on settings option at the left upper corner, where you'll be opened up with this interface. So here you have to tap over the account center, or you can also tap over see more in account center option with blue color, and various options under account center will be displayed. You can go through personal details, and you can go for account ownership and control. So here is an option for deactivation or deletion. Simply tap over there. Right now I have connected my Facebook with my Instagram account, so my Facebook account has also been displayed. You just have to tap over your Instagrams. You need to go for delete account option and simply go for continue. But before performing this action, you need to enter your Instagram password. If you forgot your password, you can go to forget password and you can go back and you have to reset your password, and you can follow the same step, come back and reach over here. So in Instagram, while you perform an action for deleting your Instagram account, then your Instagram account won't be deleted directly. It will be deactivated for 30 days, and if you don't recover your account within 30 days, then it will be deleted permanently after 30 days. So the simple trick is you can delete your account for now, and within 30 days if you want to recover it again, then you just can enter your credentials and you can log into account. So you just can enter your password and you can go for continue, and you can head towards deleting your Instagram account. So this is the trick, and this is how you can deactivate your Instagram account without waiting for 30 days. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.